Hey guys, it's Eric here. This is the first video of I hope to be many. You're seeing this recorded on, I just went last night and got this GoPro Hero 7, so this is the first test with that. I'm in a room here that's kind of a little bit echoey, so hopefully the audio is okay. One of the things I was reading about this GoPro is that the audio is supposed to be improved, so I eventually will get a external mic so that we can have a little bit better audio than what you're hearing right now. But for now, I really wanted to do an install video of this package that I got, and hopefully this is good enough for this video. It'll have to be because I can't wait any longer to install this part. So it's Black Friday, and we're in Florida. It's nice and sunny out. Shorts and t-shirt weather, as you can see. Although I'm rocking my Buffalo Sabres shirt because they're on a 7-game win streak. Hopefully tonight they can make it 8. Yeah, so let's get started. This is the first package that I will unbox to show you what's going on here. Both of these packages that I'm talking about will be for the 2015 BMW M4. This other package here, this will be installed in another video, but I figured I would do the unboxing just to get excited about doing the next video. So let's get started on this first package. Whew. Alrighty, so as you can see, carbon fiber trunk lip. This is an eBay purchase. Hopefully works out well. The quality actually surprisingly looks pretty good. It's, the carbon fiber weave here, I'd have to go out and check, but this seems to match the weave pattern on the roof of the M4, so hopefully that matches well enough. And so I think what we'll do is, I think we'll have some double-sided 3M tape. This is how we're going to install this to the trunk lip. And I think what we'll do is put the 3M tape on here now before we go out into the garage and install it, just so we're all prepped and ready. And then it should be an easy apply from there. Yeah, so let's get that 3M tape set up and we will go out into the garage. I just realized I got off on a tangent there. Was so stoked about that piece that I forgot to unbox the other package. Package number 2. Alrighty. Yes, it is what I thought it was. Can't really tell from this view. Open one of these up. Some nice packaging here to keep it protected. We got our blacked out kidney grills. So this will be a nice addition to the car because right now I have the chrome trimmed kidney grill, and although it looks okay, I just think the black would look a lot better, especially with all the carbon fiber stuff that I'm doing to the car right now. So this left side will stay as is, but on the right side here, these are kind of a generic kidney grill. They're not meant for the M4 or M3 particularly. They just fit all models of that year. So what we're going to do here is, I think we have some clips we can undo and pull out this insert so that we can keep the stock M4 internal here, so we have the badging on that. So that's something we'll do in the next video. Pretty excited about this as well. I think it'll give the car a good look. I don't know if I mentioned, but right now I plan for this car to do just some simple bolt-on stuff for now, and down the road I want to do some other things such as exhaust and maybe a JB4. So for now we'll do some cosmetic stuff just to make the visual appeal of the car a little bit better, and then we'll go from there. So now that that's done, we'll go back over here to the spoiler and get started. Alright guys, so we got our spoiler here, just sitting on the desk. As you can see, gosh, I don't know how well this lighting's gonna look. I have my phone over there trying to see what this picture will look like. I guess we'll ultimately see when I go to edit it, but here's the spoiler, our trunklet. And what we're gonna do is use this 3M double-sided tape. Actually, this is not 3M brand, it's just some knockoff brand, but it should work. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna line the inside here with the 3M tape, or the double-sided tape, and then we'll peel it once we get it on the trunklet itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some pieces on here, try to figure out the best way to fit this. Guys, here we are in the garage. Here's the car. Don't mind the mess. My girlfriend and I are still kind of organizing out here, so yeah, we're gonna do this install. Hopefully the lighting is good. It's pretty sunny out, but hopefully we can try to get a good shot here. So we have some isopropyl alcohol that we'll apply to the damp rag, and we'll just do a thorough wipe down here of the trunk area where the lip and the adhesive will touch, and remove that wax. So let's get started. Alright, so we gave that a few minutes to dry, and we're ready to apply the wing, or the spoiler I mean. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to want to peel up the 3M tape on one side here, and then we're going to make a little flap that we can pull once we have it in place and we figured out, you know, if it's centered or not. So we'll go ahead and peel up this edge. Alrighty, let's back it out of the garage into the sunlight and we'll get a better view of what it looks like. I gotta say, this looks much better. Looks way better with the spoiler on there. Makes the whole back end of this car has a lot of white, other than the tail lights and these little reflectors down here. Everything's pretty much white, so this helps offset that, gives a little bit of contrast. I think it looks great. And I'd say that carbon fiber weave looks very close, if not identical, to the roof. It's probably hard to pick up on camera. Pretty darn close. overall though, I'm happy. I think it looks good. So next video we'll replace these chrome grill trim pieces with blacked out grills. So that would give it a nice pop to the front end. I feel like the chrome gives it kind of like an old man sports car look, so I want to black those out. And yeah, that concludes this video. Hopefully we'll do this grill video install here within the next couple of days. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe. Hopefully we'll get you some more videos here in the future. This is the first of what I said will be hopefully many, so stay tuned.